We have one last thing to practice here with functions, introduction to functions. We're going to evaluate functions. Alright, so remember, we've seen equations like this before with a y in this position. So all we're doing is we're changing the look of y to say f of x. Remember, this doesn't say f times x, it's notation that we read as f of x. Alright, so find f of negative 3 when f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 4x minus 2. What's our job here? Well, f of x is our notation, and we want to find f of negative 3. So what happened from here to here? We replaced x with negative 3. That means we replace all x's with negative 3. So 3 times negative 3 squared plus 4 times negative 3 minus 2. And then we do all this math here in the correct order. Let's see, exponents, that gives us positive 9 times 327, negative 12, so we better keep up with some of that somewhere. 27 minus 12 minus 2. Let's see, what does that give us? I believe that gives us 13. Alright, so find f of negative 5 when f of x is equal to 6x squared plus 7x minus 7. So again, our job here is to find f of negative 5. What happened from here to here? X became negative 5. All x's should become negative 5. Replace all x values, all x variables with negative 5. Plus 7 times negative 5 minus 7. Alright, and then we have calculations to do again. This is 25 times 6. 25 times 6 is 150. And 7 times negative 5 is negative 35 minus 7. And you can pause it and do your math there while I'm doing mine. I believe that gives us then 108. Alright, so evaluate the function for given values of x. Alright, now let's take a look at this one right here. This is the same routine, but instead of replacing x with given numbers, we're going to replace x with a different expression. So it says find g of a minus 1 when g of x is equal to this. So we're going to write underneath this g of a minus 1. What happened from here to here? We replaced x with a minus 1. So we replace all x's with a minus 1. So x we replace with a minus 1. Alright, and then we're going to simplify this. 3 times a, 3 times negative 1. And then we're going to continue to simplify. 3a minus 5. Alright. Okay. We're going to call that good. If you feel comfortable with all this material, you should do well on exam 1.